In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Link by Stripe at checkout. To get started, sign into your Stripe account. Make sure you're using the correct dashboard for the business or project where you want to enable this payment option. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the settings icon, usually shown as a small gear, and click it. This is where Stripe keeps most of the account-level configuration options, including payment method controls. From the settings area, open Payment Methods. This section lets you manage which payment options are available for your customers during checkout. After that page loads, scroll through the list until you find Link by Stripe. Stripe offers several payment methods, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Click on Link by Stripe to open its settings. On this page, you should see an option to turn it on or enable it. Go ahead and click that button. In some accounts, Stripe may ask you to confirm or save the update before it becomes active. So if you see a save prompt, make sure to save your changes. This is important because leaving the page too early can sometimes prevent the setting from being applied. Once Link by Stripe has been enabled, the next step is to check the specific checkout experience you're using. Open the settings for your payment link, your Stripe checkout page, or your payment element configuration, depending on how you accept payments. The goal here is to confirm that Link is actually available in the customer-facing checkout flow, not just enabled in the general payment methods area. When you review those settings, verify that Link appears as an available payment method at checkout. If it does, that means the feature is active and ready to be shown to eligible customers. Keep in mind that the display can vary slightly depending on your account setup, region, customer device, and checkout configuration. To finish, complete a test checkout. This is the best way to confirm everything is working correctly from the customer's point of view. As you go through the test payment process, look for Link as one of the available payment options. If it appears, then your setup is complete, and customers should now be able to use it during checkout. Doing this final test is a good habit anytime you enable a new payment method, because it helps you catch any setup issues before real customers encounter them. Thanks for watching.